Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here with a brand new 7th generation iPad. This is the iPad that's going to change the basic iPad game for a little bit. So iPad for a while has started for $329. This is the 7th generation. They've added a smart connector on one side. It has pencil support just like the previous year, but what's kind of cool is it's gone up from 9.7 inches to, 10.2 inches. So it is marginally bigger, but this is just going to be more bang for your buck. I got it here in the 32 gigabyte capacity because this is not something I'm going to load up. If I have to do photo editing on the go, what I actually choose is my iPhone. I've had this for a very long time. I primarily shoot on them. I import from my DSLR on them, and I do everything there. I haven't had an iPad or a computer in years. So I'm kind of curious to see what a budget iPad would be like. So I have had an Amazon Fire, those little Amazon Fires that, you can just watch Netflix or watch Amazon Prime. Those are good just to have like a little thing, but it's not something that I would actually use for photo editing. But this is going to be different. So here it is. We got this in space gray. And let me see if I even notice any kind of a difference. Now it has that same kind of weight that the iPad has. The coating here, it's very good with anti-glare. So here it is. There's the smart connector on that side. Let's see. I like how dark it is. For the longest time when I've had an iPad, they're kind of not as dark as this. And I didn't like that because they look silver with a black screen. But this is a little bit different. So looking at the bezels here, I'm going to turn the screen on just so you can see. They're smaller. Now they're just a little bit smaller. I think, 0.5 inches smaller. But that just reduces the size here. It just makes it more screen, so here it is. There's the bezels, there's everything. It has a good weight to it. Let's see what comes in the bag, or the box. It's going to be our cable, normal Lightning to USB-A, our little booklet with instruction manuals and stickers and everything, and then how many watt is this? This is a 12 watt power adapter. So this will be able to be used with your new iPhone to make it charge a little bit faster if you don't already have this. So I'm pretty happy. I just thought it would be a good upgrade to actually get something with a marginally bigger screen. I was honestly looking at the iPad Pro, but I was thinking, I'm not really going to be using it for like extremely heavy use. I want a screen. I want something that's a little bit bigger than this. I have the Max. I think this is the perfect device for me. Everything that I use is either stored in iCloud or it's stored in Google Photos, so I don't need a huge amount of storage. I'm happy with this, so I don't even need to do much more. You can see the other reviews that go into how the screen is, but hey, it's just a little bit bigger. It has that smart connector so you can have a good connection to a keyboard without having a Bluetooth keyboard. It's just a slightly better iPad, and the iPad was already beating everything else right now, so I'm happy with it. I'm going to do a deeper dive later on, but here it is. The 10.2 inch basic iPad goes for $329 plus tax for 32 gigabytes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.